Okay, it's been 7 minutes. I've just taken my chocolate off. Hopefully yours is looking something like this. As you see, there's still a few little lumps in. But using your spatula, if we just start stirring now, the heat of the mix will get rid of all of this and make it all melt in together nicely. There we go. So if you just do the same, just with your spatula, give it a nice mix now. And what you should end up with is stuff that basically looks like high gloss paint, but paint that tastes nice. Okay, so once you've got rid of the rest of the little lumps, we can just stir in the cream. So with the cream, you just want to be stirring at all time. Just pour in your cream. Go. Just keep stirring. Stir, stir, stir. Pouring in the cream. There we go. Now we just need to keep stirring till we've got all of the cream mixed in with the chocolate. Go. Now we just need to get this from the bowl into the little tart cases. So I'm going to have a go at pouring this. So just dividing them up equally from into your tart cases. See if I can do this left-handed so you can see, but it's quite simple. A bit in that one. There we go. And then the same with the other one, and we'll top them up in a second. Don't want to leave any of this chocolate in the bowl. So just dividing it up nice and equally. Okay. Oh, I want to eat this now. You'll be eating it soon, don't worry. And a bit more in this one. And then we're just going to sort of smooth it out in a second. There we go. Right, so then just using your spatula, just work the chocolate into the corners of your tart. Just with your spatula, just pressing slightly, and then do the same on the other one. So just working it into the corners, pressing down slightly. There we go. And that's them done. All you need to do now is just pop them back on a plate, back in the fridge for an hour, just for them to set, and they'll be ready to eat. And I hope you enjoy it. Well, I know you'll enjoy these.